Today is Independence Day.
Anong reaction yun?
Forever independent kasi. At para sa mga kakabreak lang dyan,
Yan.
Happy Independence Day din sa inyo. Araw po natin to because, let's admit it, realizing yourself that you are not in a happy or even functional relationship is a big step towards independence. Alam pa, single ako, hayop. 30 na nga, single pa eh.
Yan po ang gagawin natin ngayon. Every time na may mababanggit na pagmamahal, kakabreak, single, or kakahiwalay, maririnig niyo po ang kalimbar ng simbahan. Para sa ang kadahilanan? Wala lang.
Independence Day.
Dapat flag yung winawasiwas dito. Tayo yung magdamayan. Dahil sa episode natin ngayon, babasahin natin ang 3 istorya ng independence from love. Ayan. Ay, mga dakilang tao na nabubuhay sa ating kapaligiran. This is Snap.
Welcome back to another episode of Snap. And for today's episode, as we said from the start of this video, Happy Independence Day! Especially sa mga ka-break lang dyan. Sabi ko sa inyo, break din ko yun. Ayok din eh.
Ang hirap mabulit nun. Ang dami nun eh. Wag na. Ang hirap mabulit.
Anyway, for our episode today, as we said, we will be talking about people who have now been released. Released.
Tumama po yung ipin ko. Sakit. Oo na, wala. Pasensya na po.
Na single kami.
Oo na. Wala na nga kami kahalikan. Mikropono na lang. Sakit na na. Nabasan ba yung ipin ko? Sige po. Ito po ulit si Miguel sa kanyang litanya ng kanyang pagiging single. Pasok.
For today's episode, we will be talking about people who have recently broken up, who have recently gotten their independence in the spirit of Independence Day. Sabi ko sa inyo, magbe-break din kayo, mga ayot kayo. Every time nakakita ko ng couple,
Ang sama.
Okay, let's not have our audience waiting and let's get into the stories that people have submitted to us. So, for our first story, ang title nito ay, sino bang pwedeng tanungin?
Yung guardia.
Exactly. This story comes from Fourth, who's 28, from Green Hills.
Okay.
Ito, mga lugar ko yan eh. Green Hills, San Juan.
Okay. Pasig.
Yes.
Bakit may paglunok? Nung nabanggit ng Pasig.
Kasi, dalawa yung tao doon na kinasusuklam ko eh.
Hindi po yun si Mayor Vico. We love Mayor Vico. Hindi po siya yun.
Hindi si Mayor Vico.
Si Eusebio po yung sinasabi na hindi.
Sabi ni Fourth, fresh from breakup ako last year after a 5-year relationship.
Wow. 5 years ka rin ba?
4.5.
Yun. Napaaga ang end contract. Okay.
Akala ko endgame na talaga kami. That's where you're wrong.
Hoy,
Akala ko
love independence to, hindi to face to face. Huwag kang mag-away dyan.
Akala ko endgame na talaga kami kasi halos lahat ginagawa namin together.
Pwede.
Ikaw nagsasabi? Why hindi to face to face? Ikaw din nag-react.
Bumigay din.
Ako nito. Even grocery trip, parang date na. Pero after namin maghiwalay, na-realize ko na hindi ko na pala kilala sarili ko outside the relationship.
Oh.
Too much. One time, pumunta akong mall mag-isa, tapos na-stress ako kasi wala akong matanong kung saan kakain.
Aba. Wala ba ibang tao sa mall?
Pwede ko naman mag-ikot, di ba? Pwede ko mag-ikot sa mall. Gusto ko yan matry, di ba? Bakit kailangan may tatanungan? Ay, nako.
Oo nga.
Bitter. Doon ko na-realize na grabe pala ako ka-dependent. After a year, I can say na kaya ko nang manood sine mag-isa, kumain mag-isa, at bumili ng fries na hindi kailangan i-share. Character development talaga, yung hindi na nagtatanong ng anong gusto mong kainin kasi ikaw na lang sasagot.
Hindi ako naniniwala.
Palakpakan ko sana kaso bitter dito. At least, at least for fourth, you have character development. Congratulations. As someone who ganyan din yung nangyari, yes, it's very exhilarating na finally, you can finally do stuff on your own. Na before, in your head, it's all taboo kasi supposedly these activities are usually either with friends or with a significant other. So, props to you for learning how to watch movies on your own, to eat on your own, and bumili ng french fries na hindi kailangan i-share. Ako nung 5 years old, alam ko na hindi mag-share ng french fries. Lalo na yung potato corner.
Correct.
Isang buong giga fries. Sa akin lang.
Diba? Kaya po kami naging LPG.
Hoy, tayo nadaan dyan. Huwag mo akong nadamay dyan.
Nag-sempe ka rin ba? Ganun yung tanong eh. Nag-sempe ka rin.
Nag-sempe ka rin.
Hindi kasi kanina nga, bago kami nung nag-briefing kami, yun nga yung pinag-uusapan namin. Maganda naman yung maging mag-isa. Meron niyang sinasabi na there is peace in, ano sabi ko kanina? There is peace in solitude. Solitary confinement. Parang kulungan na yata yun.
There's peace in solitude.
May peace dyan. Kasi diba, pag may solitude, gaganong ka. Peace in solitude. Nabibwisit lang eh.
Ay, nako.
Hindi kasi mati-discover mo yung sarili mo.
Yes,
Mati-discover
exactly.
mo yung mga ganito kasi yan. Pag meron kang significant other, you would the both of you would we're not saying na you're people pleasing each other, but syempre you will do things that the significant other would appreciate.
Yes.
So syempre meron kang mga gustong bagay na gawin mo na ikaw lang, pero sa opinion ng isa ayaw niya.
Yeah.
So ifo-forgo mo yun. So
Yes.
'di ba? Ayun ho ang kapalit ng paghahanap ng significant other. Kaya nga you love each other, di ba? Kasi you will sacrifice everything for him or for her. Ngayon, pag ikaw naman ay humiwalay na, pagkakataon mo na yan. Malungkot, oo. Pero pagkakataon mo rin naman discover sarili mo. Yung mga finorgo mo in the beginning. Di ba, Miguel?
nga eh. Kasi sasabihin ko, ako nga eh, pinorgo ko yung citizenship ko para sa kanya eh.
Oo, di ba? Iba, di ba? Abroad. Para lang doon sa tao yun.
Kaya, sabi niya kasi gusto niya daw mag-travel eh. Ayan.
Ito naman, baka naman...
Ako yung nag-travel.
Baka naman Batanes hanggang Hulo lang hinihingi sa'yo.
Hindi US.
Mura lang naman yun. Hindi US.
Let's go into the verdict.
Verdict.
Guilty!
Hmm.
Mukhang independent but not yet fully there. Yes, I agree. Hindi pa fully there. Nandun si Fourth kasi, nagde-develop pa siya in terms of, rediscovering themselves.
Yourself. Yeah. Correct. Enjoy. Just enjoy.
Exactly. Ako, ever since naghiwalay kami nung ex ko, tapos nag-move ako dito sa Amerika, dito ako natuto, yun nga, manood ng sine mag-isa, pumunta ng concert mag-isa, kumain sa fancy restaurant mag-isa, na tipong tatanungin ka nung server, oh, do you have a +1? Malakas loob mo. No. It's only me. Tapos sa loob mo, umiiyak ka na. Kasi napapalibutan ka ng mga couples around the restaurant.
Yeah. Ako, tanungin mo, do you have a +?
Sige,
Kurari, ikaw yung waiter. Sige.
How many would you have? How many people tonight? How many people are in your group tonight?
Just one.
Okay. No significant other, no +1.
Don't you see her? I ate her already.
Kaya tayo pumapasok sa MC.
Kaya mukha po kaming LPG. Sa taba mo.
Oo. Ako na yung +1.
Okay. Let's go to our second story, which comes from Vern, who is 30 years old. Yan, welcome to Trentahin. And is from Miguel's favorite city in the whole wide universe. Pasig City. Okay, sabi ni Vern, nakipag-break ako kasi napansin ko na parang naging full-time customer service representative na ako kaysa girlfriend. Lahat ng problema niya ako sasalo. Career niya, pamilya, pati bakit daw masyadong malamig yung ice coffee niya. Sira pala siya eh. Kaya nga, iced. Naman. Tama nga, kahit naman ako nun
eh. Galit ni Vern, ha?
Kahit naman ako eh. Bakit malamig yung ice coffee ko? Di ba ice ka? Hindi, coffee ka lang sana. Walang ice. Tapos, ang sarap talaga sa pakiramdam na nakakatulog. Tulog ba yun? Parang dinadagdagan lang natin yung inis. Tapos one day, habang umiiyak ako sa CR, na-realize ko, wait, bakit ako yung laging pagod? After the breakup, ang dami kong energy bigla. Nakakapag-workout ako, nakakapag-travel, at higit sa lahat, nakakatulog na ako nang hindi nag-aabang ng we need to talk message tuwing 2 a.m. Ayan, marami akong kilala ganyan. Greatest realization ko, love should add peace. Hindi parang naka-duty ka lagi. And that is nanlamig na tauhan from Vern of Pasig.
Dami kong kwenta na ganyan.
Ekspertong totoo. Ano masasabi mo?
As someone who was on call 24/7, 365 days a year.
Lagyan nyo ng scientific music to sa edit. Para maka-eksperto ko.
There was one moment na kami pa nung ex ko nito. Naglalabas ng maduming laundry, nag-i-air ng dirty laundry bigla.
Okay. Sorry. For a moment, akala ko talaga tungkol sa paglalabay.
Hindi.
Okay. Gets.
Anyway, so kami pa nung ex ko nito. And I was in a Dungeons and Dragons campaign. As in, literally, nag-start kami 9 p.m. Hopefully, it's gonna go through all the way to the morning. Talagang, nakaplano yun for months. Bumili kami ng mga pagkain, And yun, talagang nakaplano yun with my group of friends. Sa gitna ng campaign, this was around 1 a.m. So, gitna pa lang yun. Biglang may tumawag yung ex ko. Sabi niya, pwede mo ba akong sunduin kasi lasing na ako. Sabi ko, wisit to. Ayun ako. Siyempre, at the time, utu-utu pa ako. Sige, sunduin kita. To the viewers out there, nung nasa Pilipinas pa ako, nakatira ako sa Quezon City. Malapit sa Time Street sa may West Avenue. Yeah.
Yan.
Around that area.
SM North area. Yeah.
Yes. Anyway, around that area. Kung saan ko siya susunduin? Sa BGC pa. Ng alauna ng madaling araw. On a Friday night. Yes, wala na masyadong traffic. But still, it was a Friday night. And at the time, this was before pandemic, talagang kapag Friday night, gising na gising ang Metro Manila. So, sabi ko sa grupo ko, sorry guys, I have to go. Eh nakakatawa doon, sa bahay ko yun. So, iniwan ko sila sa bahay ko.
Iba yun.
To go.
Okay.
So, iniwan ko sila, pumunta ako doon, sinundo ko siya sa BGC, yun nga, lasing 9, whatever. Hinatid ko pa siya sa Pasig. So, BGC. So, QC, BGC, Pasig, back to QC. Nakabalik na ako alas 3. Alas 3 or alas 4 na. So, mga 3 oras na biyahe. Sabi ko, ay, nako. Kaya yung mga ganito na mga taong nare-realize nila na, love should add peace talagang.
Yeah.
Congratulations. You finally understood what love is. Hindi yan dapat laging
parang on call.
Yes, on call or naka-duty. Love should add.
Baga dapat may mutual, kaya nga mutual understanding, di ba? Kasi literally, dapat may mutual understanding kayo na naintindihan nyo ang sitwasyon ng isa't isa. At saka, syempre, hindi pa naman kayo mag-asawa. Maintindihan ko sana kung mag-asawa na kayo, committed na kayo na forever na kayo, ganyan.
Yeah.
Dapat talaga, kahit anong mangyari, unang asawa mo. Pero kung, di ba, jowa-jowa pa lang naman kayo, trying, dating, gano'n. Di ba, lumugar ka.
Yes. Lumugar ka.
Lugar mo din. Magkaibigan nga
Exactly.
Hindi mo inaabuso
Which is, now looking back into that relationship, may nag-comment kasi about us na para na nga daw kaming mag-asawa at the time. I think this was a year in or 2 years in our relationship. Kasi nga talagang, for me, akala ko siya na talaga. So talagang, how do I say this? Ako kasi at the time, very idealistic na I would beat the odds na one and done.
Yeah.
If people would understand what I mean. One and done meaning, yung isa lang yung...
Mamahalin mo forever.
Yes, exactly. Yung isa lang yung
Then you marry
girlfriend to marriage, basically. So, akala ko ganun ako. Kaya rin tumagal kaming 4.5 years. Kasi nga, Anyway, yun nga So, for people who have finally realized that themselves are also important in a relationship, I give props to you. Kasi dapat, as we know, love should be a two-way street. Hindi yan isang daanan lang. So, that's what I've learned from, that's not what I've learned. That's one of the things that I have learned from my previous relationship, and I've only been in one. Yes, nanligaw ako. Yes, I've been on dates. Pero, yung masasabi kong talagang isa yung girlfriend, yung talagang parehas kami naintindihan na girlfriend na girlfriend-boyfriend kami, was that only once. Sabi nga nila, there will be times in a relationship where someone's gonna be 70, the other one's gonna be 30. There's gonna be other moments where someone is 60, the other one is 40. At the end of the day, dapat pinag-uusapan yan. Hindi, yun nga, sabi nga ni Stephen, dapat lumugar. Hindi necessarily dapat ikasal. But in my case, back then, masyado akong naging excited. Masyado akong nag-move fast, as they say.
So to speak.
Yeah. But, that's part of life. You learn. you grow. Ngayon, kinasusuklam ko na lahat.
Kaya po para sa aming unang fan meeting, wow, gaganapin po namin yun sa Pasig City Hall. Panoorin. Si Vico. Okay, verdict. Acquitted. Binabayan ka ng Diyos.
Diyan sa desisyon mo.
May nakita mo yung kamay ng Diyos. No!
Okay, for our next story. Ang title nito ay Next Level Love. Ay, may isang tama na naman sa pag-ibig.
Then, pag sinabi mo daw yun, pag sinabi mo yun, hindi daw nakakasakit. Parang si Mel Chang. Tapos gaganong ka. Isa na naman pong tao. At tinutulungan
Exactly.
ng ating programa.
Yeah. Pero hindi, we're talking about independence eh. So, hindi na siya tanga.
Ay,
Hindi
hindi ba ito education? Education to. Educational crisis. Ay, hindi pala.
Going back, so our next story is titled Next Level Love from Jake, who's 32, who lives in Santa Rosa, Laguna. Okay, medyo malayo. Hello, Snap! After ng breakup namin. Natauhan ka na. Congratulations. Sobrang lungkot ko to the point na ginawa kong personality yung pag-share ng sad quotes sa notes app.
Okay, wait lang. I have a question.
Okay.
Sir, I have a question. Bakit notes app ka nag-share?
Okay.
Hindi mo man tinitweet with the IG or with story? What's a notes
app? Siguro tina-type out niya sa notes app tapos, share to text message. Ano siya?
Pero to GM? Ang tanda.
I mean, 32.
Well, yeah.
Naabutan niya
Subukan
yun.
niyo po ipadala sa Kalapati. Subukan niyo, Kalapati po. Padala dyan.
Pero habang tumatagal, na-realize ko na ang dami kong hindi nagawa habang in a relationship ako kasi lagi kong inuuna ibang tao. Yes, that's the biggest lesson ng anyone who got into a relationship, So nagtry ako mag-aral, magluto, mag-gym, mag-drive. Ang funny part, yung first successful U-turn ko sa kotse, mas kinilig pa ako kaysa noong anniversary namin. Na-realize ko tuloy, minsan, independence talaga yung klase ng love na kailangan mo muna maranasan bago ka pumasok ulit sa relationship. So,
ayan.
You deserve this, Jim. You deserve this. Natauhan ka na. Congratulations. Hindi na kita i-judge. Actually, lahat ng tao dito sa episode ito, hindi ko gina-judge. Kasi, at least natauhan na sila. Diba?
So, ang sabihin natin sa kanila, magpakapon kayo lahat. Wag na mag-anak. Wag na kayo mag-relasyon. Mamatay kayong matandang dalaga at binata. Ganun.
Tao nga ako kasi loko yung tatay ko dito. Sabi ko, huwag ka na umasa magkakaroon ng anak ha. Sa akin na magtatapos yung sa akin na magtatapos.
Apo, ng apo.
Wala sunod sa akin. Sabi niya, huwag kang magsasalita ng tapos. pero for everyone in this episode, and for anyone listening who's going through a breakup, who recently goes through a breakup or is finally healing from that person who, used you, abused you.
Okay.
Congratulations. You now have the time to put into yourself that not everyone could do for themselves. Lalo na kung may responsibilidad sila. It doesn't necessarily mean it's a relationship, like a romantic relationship. It could be people who are taking care of their parents or people who are taking care of their siblings or people taking care of something na talagang it's a responsibility that they have to put they have to put that
importance
responsibility
first.
Exactly, they put that responsibility first. So, congratulations, you now have the privilege of working on yourself. And honestly, it is one of the most exciting times in your life. Sure, madaming moments na malungkot siya kasi nga, you see all these people na parang lovey-dovey, whatever, sana may ganun din ako. But you once you get into a relationship, you realize na that freedom won't be the same. Kasi nga, may responsibilidad ka na for another person, and that is such a huge responsibility that it should not be taken advantage of or taken for granted. I'm also happy for myself kasi I went through this. Kaya nga tayo nagkakilala dahil sa kanta na ginawa ko about my time going through this.
Yeah.
So, it's
please listen to his song, Kiti Kiti. Ay, Nanggagalaite.
Nanggagalaite.
On Spotify. Out now.
Listen to Nanggagalaite on Spotify and Apple Music. Out now. Out 3 years now.
Update, wala.
Wala.
Kasi nangulimbat yung producer.
Verdict natin.
Meron pa verdict.
May verdict tayo kay Jake.
Okay.
May verdict tayo kay Jake. Dito tayo
verdict.
doon. Acquitted. Self-love comes first.
Yan.
Tama.
Diba?
Independence from, responsibility or from a relationship doesn't necessarily mean na kawawa ka. It's actually a good thing kasi yun nga, like I said, it's realizing na you need to put yourself first. You need to make yourself the best that you can be before anything else. Kasi, yun nga, sinasabi nga nila sa Bible, di ba? Remove the plank from your own eye before you judge, before you remove the plank from others. So,
sino nagsabi niyan? Si Senator Alan Cayetano.
Sa Bible.
We are under attack.
But yes.
Pero yeah, kasi nga importante na nakikilala mo muna yung sarili mo. Ano yung sinasabi mo dati? Yung sinabi na si Mix dati na paano ka magbibigay sa isang significant other kung hindi mo naman naiintindihan kung ano yung kaya mo ibigay or kung sino ka.
Which is, I'm speaking from my personal experience and ilang beses na nabanggit na dito sa Crumb Society where I am a giver talaga. Talagang that's my personality. Napaka-generous kong tao. And na-realize ko nga na kung paano ko magbigay is actually very self-destructive. I've realized it through therapy and, from friends na the reason why I give so much is because I don't give enough to myself.
Yeah.
I give because I want the acknowledgement from other people, which from the birthday episode na ginawa ni Stephen na yun nga we should not be listening to other people's opinions anymore, especially now that I'm 30. So to anybody who is going through this, whether you're 30 or younger or older, if you are finally going through your first taste of independence, enjoy it. Kasi talaga ang laking growth mo as a person if you get to the end of this journey. Tago sa puso yun. Maski ako parang
Experto.
I can't believe I'm saying this. Pero I'm glad I'm single.
At 3 buhay na naman ang nabago ng ating programa sa tulong ng ating eksperto. Totoo. May ganun talaga eh. Kailangan ka ganun. Anyway, that's it for our episode today. Make sure to subscribe and follow to our YouTube channel, Crumb Society, for more fun conversations. I'm Stephen.
Make sure you're also following us on Spotify and Apple Podcasts. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up there as well. I'm Miguel, and this is Studio Crumb, and we'll see you again next Bye-bye.
Bye!
For everybody who's no longer tied down by stuff that Freedom!
Grabe.
Independence
Freedom!
Day!
Studio Crumb.